The brand new Morimoto XB Evo Fog Lights are the latest iteration in a product line that's been hugely successful and out for over a decade now. Now fitted with the latest in technology, compliance, quality, and styling, these fog lights are perfect for enthusiasts who are serious about all of the above. They're the perfect addition to a set of high-performance headlights, ultimately maximizing your visibility when the weather conditions call for help. Thanks to an all-new proprietary optic designed by Morimoto's in-house optical engineer Yoshi Ishida, paired with Osram Aslan PL LED chips, the Morimoto XB Evo fog lights produce an output unlike anything else on the market. They offer the industry's best combination of beam width and intensity and are fully compliant with the latest SAE J583 F3 and ECE R19 regulations for on-road use in North America and Europe. Now, while the standard XB fog lights that have been around forever are a massive upgrade over the stock halogen fog lights that most vehicles come with these days, the new XB Evo models take performance to the next level. The recipe delivers more of everything one would ask for in a good fog light, and they also come available in two distinct versions: a dedicated white output model and the XB Evo Plus, which can be switched on the fly between white and yellow. Unique to the XB Evo Plus fog lights is the zero compromise distribution of light within the beam regardless of which color is selected. That cannot be said for other switchable fog lights on the market. Now, like any other Morimoto headlight assembly, fog light assembly, or taillight, these things are designed and crafted to meet all original equipment specifications for a hassle-free, plug-and-play installation. They're designed as a direct replacement for the factory fog lights. The wiring is plug-and-play with the factory wire harness, and their integrated aiming adjusters allow you to dial in the beam pattern height as well. Thoughtfully engineered for a modification-free install, no warranties void, and no headaches. This product line is completely designed, engineered, and tested by the Morimoto team right here in Atlanta, Georgia to meet the high expectations of our customer. When it comes to UV resistance, Toyota has the best-in-class protection, and that's why we formulated a brand new hard coating just recently that meets and exceeds their standard for resistance against cracking, fading, and yellowing lenses from UV exposure. Guys and gals, if you are looking for the latest and greatest in a street-oriented, high-performance, high-output, super wide, high-tech fog light for your ride, check out the brand new Morimoto XB Evo fog lights. These things are out now, and you guys are gonna love them.